Oh, it's cramped in here. Tonight's big project is going to be a clutch on that silver E46. But before that, it is starting to snow a little ahead of schedule here in Minnesota. So I'm going to throw on the winter wheels and tires because I really don't want to get stuck sliding around. It's not fun. So yay. It's cold outside, so I decided to pull the Tesla in. That way I can set tire pressures and at least make sure everything's hunky-dory. But man, I was not counting on doing this until Halloween, so that's a bummer. Nice colors in here, though. So I remember when I put these away last year, they were a little low on air. I actually kind of like these Dunlop Winter Max tires. The one issue and the reason why they're not like right for the Model S is that car technically requires 45 PSI and these max out at 44. So I set them at 44 and all as well. But at the end of the season, they were getting down into the 39, 38 range. So I'm going to top them up all with 44 now. Might go up a hair once they're on the car, but I'd rather not deal with TPM notifications the entire winter again. This is still a lot better than doing the change outside, even though I have no room at all. Also, I'm really glad I spent the money to get the later style lug nuts. That was huge. Well, back to the humdrum, not bum drum, humdrum boring looking car. The 21s really do look a lot better, but this thing is a competent winter beast, so I guess it's just time to back it out and then we'll get cracking on this clutch job. It's gonna be a long night. So I've just been doing loops down here. It finally reset. Nice. Let's see. Well, I set them at 44, so it's pretty close, but I'll take it. And continuing on, luckily, I think we beat the snow by like an hour. So up here, actually changing out the boss man's wheels and tires. I've been holding off getting him new summer tires even because it's, well, let's face it, it's winter tire season. These would not have been good. Pilot Super Sports with 230 seconds plus snow. So time to do another swap. Also, he just bought a new one. Gross. Ooh, floaty. I just did these brakes and they already look like total garbage. Neat. And here we go. The boring winters. Whew. Another one done. I will say Tesla's process for this is a little bit better. But this thing has a brand new RDC module, which was like $1,500, so I'm optimistic that it'll reset. All's well. Nice. And last for right now, but definitely least as well, the 2.0 T Explodey Nightmare Q5. Oh, God. I actually bought the Michelin, I think they're Defender LTXs, so the best all-season tire you can buy, but still night and day between winter tires and these. So swap we go. I got about an hour until the forecast says we're supposed to start getting snow. Well, time to get the Fiat into storage. And that's going to involve moving these two guys, so whew. Let's do it up. Finally an actual cold start. This car's been in a heated garage for the last 2 years. Oh, come on. cut this thing steep to get it out. Sorry for the apocalyptically shitty video, but this car has no power steering. Does sound good, that car. E36's turn. This thing is stone reliable as long as you never get it warm. Boring. This thing is on very high performance summer tires and was slipping pretty badly even right there. Actually, not terrible. It'll fit. Good old Blipski. Wheel spin. There we go. There was some traction. Oh, it's an E36. Check coolant level. Fits. Oh my God. Oh, I think we're in second gear. That's got to be why. Make sure we're in. Yep. That we are.